welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And in this video we are going to review Lecturio. Okay, I'm going to discuss about Lecturio, give you some salient features, then I'm going to tell you about subject wise how each and every subject is, right? So only the step 1 I'll cover. Step 1, that is the preclinical and the paraclinical, that is first and second year of MBBS, or in some countries first, second and third year. So based on your countries there can be different things. So I'm going to talk about preclinical and paraclinical. I guess that is a good terminology for you. Okay, so in the beginning, whether to take Lecturio or not to take Lecturio, then I will say that yes, you can take Lecturio, there is no problem. It's a good reference, it's a good resource to study, and the faculty are really good, and the question bank is also good. Okay, so it's not like a like something which you will regret later on. Okay, and it's pretty cheap also, it's not that expensive. The content that faculty teaches is really high yield. You will really love everything they teach, and now they don't have that whiteboard kind of material which some professors do, so you may find some difficulty, but it doesn't matter, because everything goes very smoothly, so you won't have any problem. Okay, all the teachers are really smooth. Along with every lecture there are going to be few questions, so you can review, you can watch, you can solve these questions in these vignettes probably, and then you will though the material you learned in the video is going to get encoded in yourself. That is a good way to study pre and paraclinical as well as clinical years also. Then there is something else that is called spaced repetition overview. So in this, the questions are collected in a deck on the basis of how you solved the other question banks, and the questions which you were not able to solve are going to be there, and this is going to be helpful while revising also, because the questions you didn't do correctly in the first time are going to be the questions you are not going to do in your second time also. That's what I have seen. Okay, so don't think that you will never make a mistake twice. People do make mistake twice, so things like spaced repetition overview are going to be helpful. Then some additional features is that it has a thing like called book matcher. You don't need to pay for book matcher separately, you can use it like that only. So what feature does book matcher has? You click a pic of the page you are reading in the book they have mentioned, or you just tell them the page number and the edition, and they're going to tell you the videos they have in their deck related to that, videos and questions, I guess. Okay, so you can do that also. It's really helpful. Then question of the day is there present with every app, I guess, these days. So every day they're going to give you a question, and Lecturio's vignettes are really good. I have solved many different platforms, and the best vignettes is in the Lecturio ones. Okay, I've solved others also, but the way Lecturio give its vignettes, they are really big and huge vignettes. So you don't get that in USMLE, but you will understand a lot more stuff if you solve these vignettes also. Okay, the only problem here is making notes is gonna get little difficult while you do these questions. Okay, I have used Lecturio, and the difficult part was making notes. Everything else was easy, like you can do anything else, like all the videos are really short, so you don't have to bang your head against the wall like there's a lot of material left. The videos are really short and very concise, and in that concise time they teach a lot of stuff, so there is not going to be a big problem. But the material is not enough for Indian exams, so that is a big problem for me. But if you are preparing for international exams, then it's not going to be a problem. They cover more material than required in for the international exam. Now let's come to the subject wise video. So I'm only going to talk about the subjects related to first and second year of MBBS or in the MD. So basically the pre and paraclinical subjects. Okay, so let's start with the first preclinical subjects. Now the first preclinical subjects is anatomy. Now for anatomy, there are two different faculties. Now the rest of the anatomy is taught by another teacher, and the head and neck and neuroanatomy is taught by another teacher. Now the rest of the anatomy is not that good in Lecturio, but the neuroanatomy and head and neck is really good in Lecturio. You can watch them and you will understand a lot of things. The teacher, the faculty there is an award winning faculty. It is taught by Dr. Craig Kainby, PhD from USA, and the neuroanatomy portion is really good. There are other good sources for neuroanatomy also, but this portion is also really good, and you will understand, you will get the concepts of neuroanatomy really easy. So if you have difficulty in neuroanatomy, then go watch Lecturio's neuroanatomy and head and neck. It's really going to help you a lot. The rest of the anatomy is okayish here. You can watch them if you have any other resource and you are feeling comfortable there. Then you don't need to watch Lecturios in the gross anatomy. It's not bad. It's not really wonderful. So it's okay. So the next topic is embryology. Okay, so for gross anatomy there is embryology. Embryology is amazing here, because embryology is a little bit difficult topic. So, and there are two different professors they are teaching it, and they both are really good in embryology, and you will learn a lot of things in embryology if you watch from Lecturio. And it's a really good thing, embryology, because embryology is a difficult topic, but Lecturio is going to cover everything for embryology. You won't face any difficulty if you have studied embryology from here. Histology, on the other hand, there is a separate section for histology also. Now histology in itself is a little bit weird subject, because a different consultant, different professors teach it in different ways. So, and it's not much asked in your examination, but a lot of people don't read like a histology. So there are very less option on the web for histology. So I think I have only found Lecturio for histology. No other none of other resources have that good histology. Okay, Kaplan has some, but Lecturio has a complete section on histology. And so if you're really interested in histology, you can watch it, because it is going to help you a lot. People ignore histology a lot, but it is a really important topic for your future. Okay, especially if you want when you go to pathology. So watch histology from here, it's good. Now the next is biochemistry. Biochemistry is one of the best things that Lecturio has, and it's by Kevin Ahern, Dr. Kevin Ahern. Kevin Ahern's videos are there on YouTube also, and they are free lectures, but the complete course is there with Lecturio. And if you have watched Kevin Ahern's videos, because when I was in first year, then I watched those lectures for Kevin Ahern. Okay, around 40 to 50 lectures are there. I didn't watch completely. I just watched the lecture from which the topic my exam was going to be on the next year, because then I've explored it. Okay, so it's good. It's not just good, it's one of the best. So you can rely on it, and then if you read your textbook along with it, then you're going to ace your biochemistry examination anywhere. Okay, whether it's your USMLEs, whether it's your college examinations. Physiology is also there. Physiology is good. The best part of physiology is that it's really concise, because physiology is a really in-depth subject. There is a lot of things to study in physiology, and the concepts clear. The professor is quite young. I don't remember the name of the professor, but he cleared a lot of concepts of physiology with me. Okay, and when I studied physiology from Lecturio, especially things like cardiovascular physiology, which are really difficult, then my concepts, the graphical concepts and all, everything was really cleared, because he explained everything stepwise and so clearly. Very few teachers are there on the web who can teach you that clearly. Okay, and Lecturio's physiology is one of them. Now let's come to pathology. Now speaking about pathology, it's going to be real difficult, because for pathology there are really good sources available on the web, and Lecturio is one of them. So most of it is taught by Dr. Carlo Raj. He was earlier a professor in I guess Kaplan or Becker. I have watched his videos in Becker also. The content is huge and good. So he has covered almost everything is there in the Robbins, and he relates a lot of that with the clinically also. So the lectures are really hard work, if you can see his hard work. But for pathology, if you want particularly pathology, then there are other resources available, like there is Pathoma and John Barone. So they are really good sources for pathology. Lecturio is not bad, but it's too much. The information is a lot, so you may find that sometimes it's you will get you will get lost. Okay, but because the syllabus, because the thing he has covered here is too much, so you can find almost everything there in Robbins in his videos. Okay, which you will not find anywhere else. I'm telling you, nobody has covered this much pathology in any source. Okay, not at least at the UG level, no one. So you will cover everything there in pathology in your main textbooks like Robbins, and even actually more than that. Okay, because you are going to study a lot of medicine related stuff. He's going to cover everything in medicine also there with pathology. That's really good. Then next, let's go to pharmacology. Now pharmacology is really good in the Lecturio. Okay, and because you get a lot of questions also, the professor is going to teach you a lot of questions also and a lot of concepts. So it is really good. and you are going to love it, and you won't have any problem. Okay, then let's go to microbiology and immunology. Now microbiology, there is an issue with the microbiology because the system of microbiology is changing a lot. So rather than going to microbiology, there is another section, infectious diseases, that is at the part of medicine. Going to that is preferred than studying microbiology here. By the way, you can study microbiology here also. There is no issue. Nobody is going to kill you for that. But the pattern has been changed a little bit. Okay, at some places. So it's a bit problematic everywhere. So you can watch whatever you want to do. The immunology part. Now, immunology is the toughest portion, and I have to make a dedicated video on immunology also. But here I'm going to tell you about Lecturios immunology. It's good. I really made notes when I studied immunology from here. They are really good lectures, and the consultant, the professor is also really good, and you will understand a lot of concepts of immunology which you will not understand anywhere else, because all the pathology is also covered here. And it was a good experience, because it's very hard to find a good immunology teacher because it's so complicated. Even most of the teachers don't understand a lot of concepts. Okay, so this is good. And there is one other source, I will talk about that in my video dedicated to immunology. Okay, because it is important. So now let's come to some minor subjects, because at some places these are taught, like in my country these subjects are not covered, but in some countries it's covered. That is the epidemiology and biostatistics. In us it is covered in the with the clinical subjects. So epidemiology, biostatistics is good here because it's a really bit complicated, but that subject is better in other sources also. Lecturio is not bad. The set of question is definitely better in Lecturio. The question bank is really good at Lecturio. The lectures, there are other sources available. The biostats is really good here, because biostats, the epidemiology you can find in other source, but for biostatistics you need to go here only, because there is a lot of topics in biostatistics, and a lot of people don't cover everything. They cover just the thing they remember. But here you will see a huge amount of biostats, which is really important. And then you can either you complete your biostatistics here, and then you can solve the questions here, or you can watch the lectures of biostatistics. Is really important here, because because there are not many sources that covers this much detail. Unless you are a really super intelligent person, you need a lot of lectures. Then there are few topics like molecular biology and cell biology. Now in my country we cover that with biochemistry. Here they are a different subject. In the Lecturio there's a different professor who is teaching that, and it's really good. You will understand basic, but cell biology you can just read the textbook and you will understand, because you have covered a lot of that in your preclinical years. Okay, so it's not going to be a big problem. Then we have some other small topics like nutrition and aging. They are also really good here. Nutrition, like in my country, nutrition we study with the public health, and it's covered there. And nutrition here is covered really good, but you can watch that from YouTube also. So these are minor topics. You can, if you the best, this is a good part of Lecturio, that is it covers nearly everything. The information is not in depth in these topics, but we don't need that in depth knowledge here. So it's good, especially if you are preparing for an MCQ exam like USMLE. Okay, so these are all pre and para clinical. I have not covered the clinical videos here. For that I will make a separate video, because there's a really huge amount of stuff. Even this is a very long video, but that is really long topic. Okay, so I think I can start. I think every subject is covered. There is nothing left, anything. So there is nothing left. I have covered everything. You can watch the video. You can watch this video again and again. Of course, that is going to give me a watch time. There is a link in the description about the Lecturio. I have made a dedicated page on that, so you can go there and then go to Lecturio for that, and then you can use Lecturio as you wish. Okay, and it's a really good source. You can buy it. If you don't have anything else, then and there is a problem of money with you, then this is a very cheap source which is going to give you a lot of information. Okay, so I guess take care, God bless you, and enjoy your medical life.